Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the fifth tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we're going to see how we can apply multiple rules to a single element in HTML and CSS. So, as you can see, I have a document opened up in my text editor notepad++. It's called multiple underscore style underscore rules.html, and within the style section in this document I have three style rules mentioned within the curly braces, and they're all separated using a semicolon, and they're all applied to the paragraph element. I mentioned a P here, and within the body section I've got an H1 level heading which has the text "What's up, dudes?" and within the paragraph tags I have the text "A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog." So I want the color of the text in all paragraphs to be blue. I've changed the font family to Vivaldi, which is a cursive font, and I've also set the background color property with a value orange. And we're going to explore each of these properties in later tutorials, but for the timing I just wanted to illustrate how you can have multiple style rules within the curly braces and have them applied to a single element, right? So I'll make sure this file is saved. I'll go to the folder where I have it, and I'll open it in my browser, and this is what I see. So this is the heading, and it's displayed in black with the regular font size, and I haven't applied any style rule to it, but this is the text from the paragraph. So the color of the text, as you can see, is blue, the background color is orange, and of course the font is Vivaldi. It's a beautiful font, and you could change the font, and as I said, we're going to explore that property in some other tutorial. So that's it for now. This is all I wanted to show you guys in this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next video in which we'll explore more CSS, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to see you soon. Till then, take care.